Skylar with Ignite Attachments. This is our angle broom, and this is the harness kit you're going to receive with our hydraulic kit. A bunch of zip ties to run your harness, a little jumper harness to go from the actuator up to the main harness we're going to run, just 2 alligator clips, positive negative on your battery or positive negative power source. Switch goes into the cab. Connectors run up to the boom arm here so your jumper harness can plug into it, and then you're ready to rumble. We'll start with this little jumper harness. It just plugs into the block down here with the 2 little ends. And then we route the rest of it along with our 2 main lines. So we want to kind of tuck these out of the way, keep them safe. Just a quick and easy routing here. Didn't tuck anything away too much. Back to the battery cable. Switch goes into the cab. Other part of the harness runs down the arm. Connects right here with your flat face couplers. So it comes into the cab behind the seat and hooked it up to the joystick. That way when you're running your boom, or you can just either adjust it so you can run it with your thumb, index and thumb. Here's one hooked up to a battery. You can see our positive alligator clip back there. Negative hooked up here. Snagged it along the side of the cab here. Then inside, this one we just ran it, mount it inside the cab. You can mount them to your joystick, so you can run it with your thumb here.